Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you how to remove and replace the rear view mirror. This video should apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up 2020 and to the base model of these minivans. I believe the higher trim models might have a bit different rear view mirror, but still it should be very similar if not the same. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so this mirror is actually being held by one torx T15 screw. I'm not sure if you can see it because it's quite sunny outside. Okay, the screw is right here, so all you have to do, you have to remove that screw. So once again, torx T15, remove the screw and the mirror will be completely loose. Okay, so this is the screw and this is the torx T15 that I used, and once you have that off, the mirror will just slide off the glass. So just pull it up. You see that there is this like metal piece on the glass, and that's how easy you replace it, and this just slides on. Now once you have your replacement mirror, you will just again go here and you will slide it back on. Okay, just like this. And once it's nice and firm in place, then you will install that screw back here. Now, one very important thing, you do not wish to over tighten this mounting screw, because if you do, you're risking cracking the glass. So that's one part where you have to be really careful on how you do it. But that's about it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.